the students are building a utility box. So what we do is we cut out the pieces in the on the plasma table, cut all the pieces out so they're all uniform, and then they go through the sequence of welding up a box. And the reason why we do that, that's a really good foundational skill, because it teaches layout, fit up, using measuring tools, things like that. And then they have a box that they take home when they're done, so they can put stuff in it. It'll have hinges and lids and handles and all that, so they can use it for whatever they need. These are intermediate classes, so this is Welding 2 and Welding 3. We combine them. So they learn the basic welding in Welding 1, so they're doing wire welding, so they learn the basics of that in Welding 1. You also need to have good critical thinking skills, because you've got to figure out how to put all those parts together. Sometimes they're using magnets to put parts together, sometimes they're not, and if you don't, how do you put it together? How do you make sure that it's square, meaning all the corners are 90 degrees? So they're using the layout tools. It's all stuff that's used in industry. Everything is, from the critical thinking skills to the tools to the welding process. It's definitely a nice break from a traditional classroom. They're up and doing stuff, they're building things. They get to take stuff home so they can see progress on projects that they're building. A lot of them are realizing, hey, this may be a potential career for me, and so they start taking it serious, but they also see that you can enjoy it, you can build, and do it as a hobby, build your own stuff, prepare your own stuff. Kind of gives them a glimpse of what they can do outside of school.